Okay, so here's part D. Alright, so maybe we can do the idea where we use 10 rectangles, or 100 rectangles, or 1,000 rectangles. Okay? And maybe to make things simple here, we'll make the radius actually be 1.
Alright.
Okay? So in that case, we would say the volume of any given rectangle would be 2 times the square root of 1 minus y squared, however high up we were for that given rectangle, times the height, times 2, the whole height, divided by the number of rectangles. Okay. You see that?
Yep.
Okay. And then, so we have to go up the circle, which is, I shouldn't call that the height, that's the width of the circle.
Yeah.
And we're going to use n of these rectangles. And so the last thing we have to just figure out is how high up are we at the first rectangle, the second rectangle, the third rectangle, all the way up to the last rectangle. Well,
it would be the first one. You would have 2r minus delta x.
okay, so we would start down. Here at minus 1. The height would be minus 1, and then each time we're going to go up 2 over n. Now I think I'm actually cheating a little bit here, because no, I'm okay. The first rectangle is going to be number 1, and the last one's going to be n. So the first rectangle, sorry, I confused myself. N is the number of rectangles.
Yeah.
Okay. So the first rectangle is going to be minus 1 plus the height 2 over n times 1. And the next one, so we're going to go up a little bit. That rectangle is going to have a little bit of height. The next one's going to have just one more little bit of height. You see that?
Yeah.
1, 2, and then up and up and up. And there's going to be n of them. So the last one's going to be minus 1 plus 2 over n times n, which is what?
Which is the ends cancel.
Yeah, and so you get...
And you get minus 1 plus 2, so 1.
Right, so we go up to here, the height's 1,
Yeah.
just like we thought.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we just substitute that in for y, and that was a little bit of a tricky step. So minus 1 plus 2 over n goes in for y, and so we get the volume is 2 times the square root of 1 plus, minus 1 plus 2 over n squared times the height times 2 over n. Okay? And then we just add these up. So if n is 10, we add up 10 of these. And if n is 100, we add up 100 of these. And if n is 1,000, we add up 1,000 of these. Pretty interesting, right?
Yeah.
Not so easy to do though. Maybe Wolfram Alpha can help us.
Maybe.
Okay, you want to give it a try?
Alright.
Alright, let's go.